Good day. Today I want to show a feature for our Naviate Road feature line to an alignment. Here we have a rear yard ditch in the back of a subdivision lot. I've drawn this in with a feature line, giving it the elevations that I want to tie in to ensure positive drainage. We'll go to our Naviate Road feature line to an alignment and select the feature line. And it's going to prompt us for our name, our site, our alignment style, our alignment layer, and whether or not we want to provide an alignment label set. Next, here we can create a profile from the feature line elevations. We can also give it a name. We can give it a profile style, put it on its own layer, and whether or not we want to give it a profile label set. Here we have the option to create a profile view in one continuous fluid motion and erase the existing feature line. Now we can choose everything that we normally would do with a profile view. Select the alignment, profile style, station range, height, display options, whether or not we want to apply any type of pipe or pressure networks, the data bands that are going to be involved, and any hatching. Then we just select where we want to put our profile view, and now we have our feature line created into an alignment and profile at the same time, ready for brand production.